full. This one's mostly full. It's the 28th of September 2020. It's a rather cool and breezy day. I'm having a real tough time with the camera. I've got it hid behind a stack of boxes. I hope you can hear me. So I'm just working here to clean up a bit. I wanted to sort the apiary around a little bit. Besides clean up my mess, consolidate things a little bit. I had a lot of pallets with one colony, so I've moved the pallets around. I haven't transferred any yet, but I've placed, you know, if there's 2 pallets with 1 colony each, I just place those pallets real close, and then I'll move those over. It's going to be a cool week, so today is one of the warmer days we're going to get. So I'll move those on a cooler day when the bees are not in. When I move them, they get a bit worked up, and it's not a good time to just pick up the boxes then. I had a bit of syrup in my mixing tank still, so I filled my barrels. You can see they've taken notice of it now. I leave those open unless it's going to rain. I just watch the forecast. If you get too much rain in them, it thins it out and then it spoils. But a little bit of rain doesn't hurt anything. And if they get warm weather, it's not too many days and they'll take that right down. I'm not sure this plan will happen. There's a lot of things up in the air, but I plan to use one of the cool days this week to move my outyard bees home. So that was really the driving force to sort the apiary, because I need a bit more space to fit 15 more pallets in the apiary. So that's what I'm doing. And again, I don't know if you can hear me with the wind, but this is just cleaning up and organizing the equipment for winter. I like to have things sorted out so I can do my counting and prepare for next year. I usually want to prepare for expansion, so I want to make sure I have the equipment before I need it, not after. And that side of the apiary used to be the last 2 rows of beehives, so I've consolidated everything over here farther over in the apiary. It used to be a big empty space in the middle, so all my little nukes are here, and it looks very much in disarray, and it still kind of is, but you can see where, you know, this colony, for example, it's just placed there, and then that'll get moved up onto this pallet here. This pallet is not even sitting on that stand properly, but so, you know, I've got the same thing going on over here. We've got two pallets here that have 1 colony each, so I'll just move one of those colonies back on the other pallet. That's kind of the method to my madness with this. I get a little bit carried away with the organization of it, but one thing I really need to do is I need to keep the pallets full. I shouldn't have more than 1 pallet with a dead spot, because they have to go into the building and they have to stack in there, so they don't stack worth a darn if there's 1 colony on a pallet. I mean, you can just stick a lid on the empty box, I suppose, but then you've got a lot of extra pallets for no reason. So it's not a problem. You get the cooler weather and we can move them around just fine. Entrance reducers need to go in, so I'm starting to bring those out, and especially these little nukes. I've got some reducers for those, so put those in. And that's what's going on. Hope you're having a great day. Have fun.